Well, everybody, this is Lulu. She's kind of the best dog. This is Mario. He does whatever he likes. And the best part is there's Fritz. He's orange, and you're always supposed to look up at me. Well, dogs always look down at you. Dogs always look up at you. Cats always look down at you. Pigs always stare at you. Hello, Fritz. This is Tony's house. There's my grandma. There's Pinky. There's Pinky. He's really nice once you get to know him. But when Grandma, he's eating the shoe. There's Hemi, the funniest pig. Okay. What? No. It's okay with me. There's Hemi. He's so fun. He tries to nip at me. Charges at me. So, what kind of... And he likes to charge at me. But I love him. Here's the clips of Fritz again. Meow. Fritz always likes to go outside. But it's too cold outside. Here's Lulu. Here's Mario. Staring at me for no reason. There's their food booth. Giving you little clips around the house. This is my room. If you guys know that person, tell me, and then I will give you a special subscribe stuff if you subscribe too. It's not going to be really something special, but kind of special. Free is the best cat. He's so much loving that you would love to have him if you could. Look, he's trying to go into my grandma's room. Look. Bad. Can you see? Guys, Marshmallow's my dog cat that loves stuff so much that she's so nice and cuddly. Look it, there's Harley. He's the black pig and Hemi is the white and black pig, right? Grandma does so much tricks with them that Hemi knocks over the table and for his treats, and Harley's a good one. Harley
grinding his teeth right now.
Yeah. Harley likes to grind his teeth. What does your dogs or cats or pigs like to do? Mine like to do whatever they want. They act like they can own the house, like when there's no owners. Well, they can't own the house. We own the house.
Don't eat the couch.
He likes to eat the couch, I guess.
I like to eat anything.
He likes to eat anything too.
He likes the belly rubs really bad.
He likes belly rubs, so that's good because that.
No, the cover is coming off that thing. It's blocking your screen.
Okay.
Isn't it?